This is the instructional video on how to install the Turtleneck Stem XL. The tools that you will need in this installation are a set of Allen wrenches. You will also need the Turtleneck Stem XL, a regular bicycle stem, and bicycle handlebars. Step 1. Remove your stock giraffe stem. Once you loosen up the bolts, you should be able to slide the giraffe neck stem right off the bike. Step 2, remove the quick release adapter from the Turtleneck Stem XL. Step 3, slide the Turtleneck Stem XL onto the top of the steerer tube. Step 4 is you want to take the bolt from your original top cap, and you want to slide that into the Turtleneck Stem XL. The Turtleneck Stem is already equipped with a top cap inside, so all you need to do is bolt the original screw into the Turtleneck Stem top cap. You want to tighten down the top cap as much as you can until the Turtleneck Stem sits flush with the bike frame. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Once it's hard enough to turn, that should be tight enough. Next, you want to slide the Turtleneck Stem adapter into the Turtleneck Stem XL. Next, you want to remove the top cap from the Turtleneck Stem adapter. Next, you want to slide your regular bicycle stem onto the Turtleneck Stem adapter. Next, you want to put the top cap back into the Turtleneck Stem adapter. Make sure you tighten that bolt all the way down. Next, you want to raise the regular bike stem so that it sits flush with the top cap. Now you can tighten down the bolts. Next, you want to undo the 4 bolts on the regular bike stem so that you can mount the handlebars. Once you have the handlebars mounted inside the bicycle stem clamp, now you can go ahead and tighten down the bolts. And then the last step is to transfer all the components from the old handlebars over to the new. There's no need to undo any wires. All you need to do is undo these screws underneath. All the components slide right off, and you put them onto your new BMX handlebars. How to install the Turtleneck Stem XL using a Quill stem adapter. First, you want to remove the Quill nut from the bottom of the Quill stem adapter. Next, you want to remove the quick release adapter from the Turtleneck Stem XL. If you look inside the Turtleneck Stem XL, it already comes equipped with a top cap. So you want to remove the top cap from the Quill stem adapter. Next, you want to take the rod from the Quill stem adapter and feed it inside the hole of the Turtleneck Stem XL. Next, you want to feed the rod through the Quill stem adapter. Next, you want to tighten the Quill nut back onto the Quill stem adapter. Next, you want to stick your finger inside the Turtleneck Stem XL and flip it upside down. Next, you want to tighten the bolts on the Turtleneck Stem XL. Next, you want to add the needed spacer onto the Quill stem adapter. Next, you want to insert the Quill stem adapter into your bike's steer tube. Next, you want to tighten the quill on the Quill stem adapter by using an Allen wrench. And you want to make sure that this is as tight as possible. The last and final step is to transfer all the components from your old handlebars over to the new, and you're all set. That is the end of the Turtleneck Stem XL installation video. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.